Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process for how you can sign up for a Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a program run by the Google through which website publisher in the Google network of the content sites serve text, images, video or interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site content and audience. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go to the new tab and search in for a www.adsense.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Google AdSense, you can see the option of Get Started on top right side of your screen. You click on Get Started. Now here you can choose any of your account that is currently you are using in, or you can go in for creating a new email address for the Google AdSense, as I'm going with a current email address. Now here you need to fill up the couple of things before you start. Here first of all you need to provide your website. Currently, I do not have any website of myself, so I'll be clicking on I don't have a site yet. But if you have a website of yours, then you can go in for providing your website. Then you go in for choose Get More Out of AdSense. You can choose any of these two according to your wants, as I'm going with no, I don't want customized help and performance suggestion. Then you go in for choosing your country or the territory. Then scroll to the little down there, you can see our terms and condition. Here you need to click on the checkbox. Then you need to click on Start Using AdSense. And with that, you have created an account for yourself in AdSense. If you have a website of yours, then you can click on Add Site and go in for adding the website over there. Then you can go in for verified and earning the money. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create yourself the account on Google AdSense. Thank you.